What's happening, guys? I'm something a little bit different today. I'm going to try and get these window winders down. I think all you do is you just, oh, there you go, that was easy. Just pull this back and pull it off. I'm going to show you the driver's one. Basically, what's happened is this is snapped on the driver's one and someone's put a screw through it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely replace this for a skateboard wheel. I'm going to see if it'll look half decent. So yeah, let's get into the video. It's only going to be a quick one today, guys, nothing special, but I'm just going to see if it can be done. Right, so these are the skateboard wheels that I've ordered, or I bought from Skate. I'm going to put a little link in the description for them because they really helped me out. Obviously I went in there, I have no idea what I'm looking for or getting, and they sort of guided me in the right way. I've got new bearings for them, not that you need them. I did have these already pre-packed with a bearing, but obviously they don't look great and they just looked a little bit tacky, so I thought I'd go and get some new ones. 30 quid, it is what it is. Obviously if you've got some laying about, then nothing. So I'm just going to try and work out how to put the bearings in these because I'm not a skateboarder whatsoever. Yeah, I'm going to move on to that. I also need to find out and work out how I take this spinny part off. But yeah, that should be easy enough. Right, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut just in between this gap here, because I'm not quite sure how this pops out, so I'm just going to cut through and then hope for the best. Right, just cut this piece off here, and then it just managed to push through this way and pop out of there, because I want to keep these as like a spacer for the bolt to sit. So I'm just going to sand this flat now, just with a bit of, like, what have I got here? A bit of 240 sandpaper. Just sand that flat, and hopefully that's jobbed. I think the next bit is to put the bearings in the wheels. So let's get these wheels out. Cool, they're really nice and soft as well. I say they're really nice, I have no idea what I'm talking about. Right, so apparently I spoke to the geezer in the shop. I didn't actually catch his name, but they should, I don't know whether you can see, they should just push in. Going to say that's in. Yeah, that one's in, and that one's in. And then what I've got here, just to see if it'll definitely fit. Yeah, nice. Right, so what I've done is I've put a M8 and it's 50mm long. Just put the M8 nut on there as well. And what I'm going to do is just put a washer on it. These are the washers that come with the skateboard. I'm just going to put that washer on this side. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Then I'll put the wheel on, and then another washer, and then I'm just going to put a nylock on there to tighten it up. So let me just tighten that up and I'll get back to you. Right, so I'll just show you again on this one. So all you do, thread it through the back, get yourself the nuts that come with that pack there. Which locks that on tight. I had another wheel somewhere, no I didn't. So there's the wheel. Got 2 fresh bearings to go in. I don't know whether these go a special way or not, so all you do is just push that in. That's in. Push that one in, and I'm just going to press it in with this. There you go. Sorry, I need to put washer. I don't think I need a washer, but it's nice to have it on to come on the skateboard. And then that one on there. And I might try this one just with a normal nut on it, because I don't think it should undo. Obviously I've not got the right tools here because I'm not at the garage, but just tighten that down a little bit. There we go. And that's that done. Let's just go. That's that one done. Spin in. And that's that one done. So let's go and put them in the van. Right, it didn't take a lot. All I needed, ignore the pliers, just a 13mm. That to push the bearing in. Bearings are standard on skateboard wheels apparently, but like I said, I know nothing about skateboards. So yeah, that's that, and I'll post where I got the skateboard wheels from, because they really helped me out today. But yeah, let's go and put this in the van and see what it looks like. So, all you do, there you go, she's on. She's on as well. Got a squeaky door, but there you go. A little addition to the van. Completely missed the chair. That's driver's side, and that's passenger side. My passenger side window's a little bit harsher, but it don't hit it. But yeah, I think that's a nice little touch. Yeah, buddy. Well, I hope you liked the video.